Hi friends, I'm pretty excited to open this box. This is Mac Mini M1. So now I am unboxing this. It came from Maharashtra in the Bluetooth, but actually it is manufactured in China. So it came from the China. So it is a 16 GB version. So let's see what will be there in it. So actually it is came from China.
So I'm very much excited to unbox this. Let's see. So I'm looking from the lapel India site. So this is from lapel India. Here is the feed. So we can open from here, but we have to break this feed. So here I mentioned this part number, item number. So this is the item 10 and the quantity is 1.
Let's break the seal. Okay. So you can see now. Wow. This is my first Mac. This is my first Mac. So you can see this. It is completely sealed. And here is the Mac Mini. So there is not written as a Mac Mini M1 processor because they already started long back as M1. So here is the price that I got. So 8,499 September 2022. So month of manufacturing is, this is manufactured in September only. So actually this is a customized desktop. So it will be manufactured when you order the M1 Mac Mini. So now I will open from here. So let's unbox this. Wow. So if you pull this, it is able to take your brand new Mac. So if you observe, here is the strip we have to open, I think. So let's open this. So this is Mac Mini silver. Okay. Now I am opening this ribbon. There we have the ports. So these are the ports available. This is the power. This is Ethernet. And this is for ventilation. This is HDMI. 2 USB-C and 1 headphone jack and 2 USB 3, I think. 2 USB ports, 1 HDMI, 2 USB-C ports. Okay, and this is what we get, and we have another thing. This is some documentations related to the Mac Mini. How we have to connect all these things. So, and there is a logo, Mac Mini logo sticker, so we can stick it to our PC. And here the power cord. So this is what we get. So we get only one power cord. So nothing will come except this. So let's open this. Wow. So not more than this. So these are the things that we got. So let's see how it works, and